Ready to uncover the magic that keeps our skies safe and flights on point? Join us on a thrilling journey through time and technology in the incredible world of air traffic control, or ATC. Let's take a trip back in time to explore the intriguing history of air traffic control. Back in the early days of aviation, it was the Wild West in the skies. As more planes took to the air, chaos loomed on the horizon. Pilots in the 1920s started chatting over the radio, but it was all a bit informal. It wasn't until the 1930s that air traffic control got its formal wings. In 1935, the United States set up the very first centralized ATC system. Picture this: ground-based radar and radio magic, keeping an eye on planes and guiding them safely. But it didn't stop there. Technology raced ahead, birthing radar systems that tracked aircraft with pinpoint precision, giving controllers the crucial details they needed. Air traffic control is a complex system meticulously organized into distinct levels of control, each armed with specific responsibilities and areas of jurisdiction. These layers of control ensure the safe and efficient movement of aircraft through our skies. Let's delve into each of these components, expanding upon their functions and significance in aviation. Airport Control Tower, or ATCT. The heartbeat of any airport, the control tower stands tall, overseeing the intricate dance of aircraft on runways and taxiways. Its paramount duty is to orchestrate safe takeoffs and landings. Within this tower, a team of skilled air traffic controllers monitors the bustling airfield, ensuring the seamless flow of aircraft. Ground control. Within the ATCT, ground control specialists are the unsung heroes, diligently managing aircraft as they navigate the labyrinth of taxiways. Their mission is to prevent any potential collisions between aircraft or other obstacles. These controllers are responsible for providing clear instructions for essential maneuvers like pushback, taxiing, and runway crossings. Local control. Often referred to as tower control, this vital component focuses on aircraft within a few miles of the airport during takeoff and landing. Local controllers work closely with ground control, choreographing the graceful ballet of arrivals and departures. Their objective is to ensure aircraft ascend and descend safely within the airspace surrounding the airport. Track-on facilities are the guardians of the skies around airports, responsible for overseeing aircraft as they approach and depart from the airport's airspace. Equipped with radar systems, track-on controllers provide precise vectors, directions regarding heading and altitude to maintain a safe separation distance between aircraft within the airport's vicinity. The vast expanse of airspace between airports is the domain of en route centers. Here, controllers guide aircraft during the cruise phase of their journeys. With radar systems and advanced communication tools at their disposal, en route controllers monitor and direct aircraft over extensive swaths of airspace. Their goal is twofold: to ensure safe separation and to optimize routing, keeping flights on course while minimizing congestion. Over the boundless oceans, where traditional radar coverage is limited, oceanic centers take the reins. These controllers rely on long-range communication systems and procedural control techniques to manage aircraft flying transoceanic routes. Their mission is to maintain safe separation between aircraft in this remote, radar-sparse environment, ensuring that flights across vast expanses of water arrive at their destinations without incident. In the realm of air traffic control, effective communication reigns supreme. Controllers rely on a sophisticated array of communication systems to convey vital instructions and information to pilots. Let's take a closer look at these crucial components. At the heart of air traffic control communication are VHF, or Very High Frequency Radios. These specialized devices operate on designated frequencies earmarked exclusively for air traffic control purposes. Every airport and airspace sector boasts its own unique frequency, ensuring that controllers and pilots can maintain a clear and dedicated channel of communication. The backbone of modern air traffic control is advanced computer systems that process an array of vital flight data. This includes aircraft identification, precise altitude information, and comprehensive flight plan details. Armed with this data, controllers can track aircraft movements with precision, keeping a watchful eye on their every move. In the age of technology, ADS-B takes center stage. This innovative technology allows aircraft to autonomously transmit a wealth of information to ground stations and nearby aircraft. This includes their GPS-derived position, current altitude, and various other critical data points. Such real-time sharing enhances situational awareness for both controllers and pilots, ensuring safer skies. To ensure seamless coordination and communication across the vast expanse of airspace, Many countries have instituted dedicated communication networks specifically tailored to link various air traffic control facilities. This interconnected web of communication ensures that information flows smoothly between different sectors of airspace control, fostering collaboration and maintaining order in the skies. Air traffic controllers are the unsung heroes of the skies, playing a pivotal role in ensuring the safety and efficiency of air travel. Their responsibilities vary depending on where they are stationed within the air traffic control system, but collectively, they form a well-orchestrated team that keeps our skies safe. Starting at the heart of the action, we have the tower controllers. They're the maestros of the airport, orchestrating the intricate dance of aircraft taking off, landing, and maneuvering on the ground. Their instructions are like choreography, guiding planes with precision. Moving further out, the TRACON controllers take the baton. They manage aircraft as they approach and depart from airports, relying on radar technology to safely navigate the bustling terminal airspace. Their job is akin to traffic conductors, ensuring each plane follows its path seamlessly. In the vast expanse of the sky, en route controllers take over. They oversee aircraft during the cruise phase, ensuring they maintain safe distances from each other and stay on their designated routes. Think of them as the highway patrol officers of the sky. Over the endless oceans, oceanic controllers step in. They utilize procedural control methods and long-range communication to keep aircraft flying safely on transoceanic routes. They're the navigators of the Great Blue Yonder. Then at the major airports, we have the clearance delivery controllers. These controllers provide pilots with their initial instructions, setting them on the right course with details like routes, altitudes, and squawk codes. For your information, controllers rely on visual aids like flight progress strips. These strips hold vital flight details like call signs, aircraft type, altitude, and destination, helping controllers stay aware and smoothly transfer control between sectors. These controllers collaborate to ensure smooth aircraft flow. They manage handoffs between control sectors, preventing aircraft from getting too close. This teamwork is vital for safety in the skies. You know, weather can be a real game changer in air traffic control. These controllers are like weather wizards, always watching out for turbulence, thunderstorms, and other potential hazards. They're quick on their feet, adjusting flight routes and altitudes to keep everyone safe. And they're not leaving pilots in the dark either. They're the weather report hotline during flights. But that's not all. These folks are emergency experts too. Whether it's an engine sputtering, a passenger in distress, or a security scare, they're the calm voice in the chaos. They guide pilots through tough times and team up with search and rescue or the cops when things get really dicey. These controllers are the unsung heroes of the skies, no doubt about it. If you're keen, let me tell you here, becoming an air traffic controller is demanding. In the United States, the FAA manages the process. Aspiring controllers take exams like AT-SAT, undergo rigorous training at the FAA Academy, and gain practical experience at ATC facilities to earn certification. And let's now chat about how technology is changing the game in air traffic control. So picture this. Radar used to be the go-to for keeping an eye on aircraft, but now we've got automatic dependent surveillance broadcast or ADS-B. It's like upgrading from a flip phone to a smartphone. ADS-B gives us super accurate, real-time tracking of planes, making the sky safer and smoother. And in the US, they're all about next-gen, a grand makeover for ATC. Think of it as the ultimate tech facelift. With next-gen, they're rolling out top-notch communication, navigation, and surveillance wizardry. This means more airspace capacity, fewer delays, and a serious boost in safety. It's like giving air travel a turbocharged engine for the future. Air traffic control, the invisible hand that guides our skies, faces both exciting opportunities and pressing challenges ahead. First, the sky's getting crowded as air travel soars. We need to boost airspace capacity without compromising safety. That means smarter routing, airspace designs, and using high-tech solutions to keep things flowing smoothly. And then there are drones. They're buzzing around more than ever. Integrating these flying machines into the airspace without bumping into our regular flights is a puzzle we're solving. Cybersecurity is a top priority too. We've got to shield ATC systems from digital threats, keeping our communication networks, data systems, and radar gear locked down. Saving the planet is on our radar too. We're working on greener ATC procedures and tech to cut down on aviation's environmental footprint. Finally, imagine a world where air traffic control is seamless across borders. Organizations like the International Civil Aviation Organization, or ICAO, are making it happen, harmonizing procedures and tech for smoother global travel. The future of air traffic control is full of promise and innovation. To sum it up, Air traffic control is the backbone of safe and efficient air travel. Skilled controllers, armed with cutting-edge tech and extensive training, guide planes from takeoff to touchdown. As aviation keeps changing, air traffic control will evolve too, staying at the forefront of modern flight. It's a crucial piece of the aviation puzzle that's here to stay. What aspect of air traffic control intrigues you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Zipek Productions for more fascinating content.